Hey, what's up? I'm Steph, and today we're doing something a little different. We're going behind the scenes of our new studio build. For those who don't know, I run a music series called Seawall Sessions, and since July, we've been hard at work building our own studio space in Brooklyn. It has 700 square feet with 3 unique rooms with different looks, designed for different vibes and filming styles. And most importantly, enough space to finally stop living on top of our gear. The vision is simple. A home base where we can keep creating live sessions for independent artists in a sustainable way, now that the gear stays preset and the location costs are covered. Plus, it's a space we can open up to the creative community for shoots, podcasts, short films, headshots, even small events. This has truly been a crash course in home renovation. I've learned everything from plastering and spackling to snaking drains. So in this series, we'll see it all, from deep cleaning and picking paint colors, to teaming up with custom vendors and creative partners to thoughtfully design the audio treatment and build an overhead lighting rig tailored to our sessions. So let's start from the very beginning. This is how we inherited the space. These pictures were taken in May, and we got the keys on July 1st. Right off the bat, we knew it needed some work, so here's a quick list, and you can pause on it. So before we could even get to the fun part of designing a studio, there was a whole lot of heavy lifting. For your entertainment, here are some highlights from that very laborious first phase.
Bro, are you kidding me? Okay, so here's the situation, right? I'm trying to record behind the scenes content of us doing these renovations in real time to put on the channel, to put on the Seawall feed. The issue is I'm doing this in shitty, comfy clothes, right? And now I'm realizing in all these clips, I'm looking like a goddamn mess in my everyday I'm shuffling t-shirt. And none of this is usable. None of this footage is usable. I'm sorry.
Ingredients or yeast. Tell your doctor if you have a weakened immune system, are pregnant, or plan to be.
The most common side effects include injection site reactions, headache, fever, nausea, dizziness, tiredness, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and sore throat. Fainting can also happen.
Help protect yourself against certain HPV-related cancers. Talk to a doctor or pharmacist.
It's Monday. My fucking bones hurt. Here's the plan for the day. I'm on my way to the paint store right now. I'm gonna pick up 3 gallons of white paint and also gonna check on a new green sample my girl Mel recommended. Shout out to Mel. I'm pretty sure that one's gonna be the winner. After that, I'm gonna check on all the plastering I did yesterday. If it's dry, I'll move on to compounding. If it's not dry, then I have to plaster again and wait another day. Then I'm gonna prep that back room for painting, and if I have the energy, I'll also prep the bathroom for painting. Have to take it a little light today because I have sparring tonight and my body already hurts, plus I somehow have to find the time in between all that to put my laundry away. Okay, so 2 things. When I said I had to check if the plaster had dried, what I really meant was I had to check if there was any shrinking, in which case I need to go over it and fill the gaps. And when I said I needed 3 gallons of white paint, what I really meant was I need 3 5-gallon tubs.
I walk in, spotlight on me, dripping sugar sweet like candy. Every step is playing on beat. You can't help but move your body. I'm the rhythm you can't deny. Catch the sparkle in my eyes. Feel the heat, it multiplies. Now you're addicted, don't ask why. So sweet, can't let go. On repeat, you already know. Sip it up, take it slow. I'm the flavor you can't outgrow. So sweet.
All right, a new green has entered the chat, and honestly, I love her. What you doing?
Cleaning.
So sweet, can't let go. On repeat, you already know. Sip it up, take it slow. I'm the flavor you can't outgrow. So sweet, can't let go. On repeat, you already know. One taste, overflow. I'm the vibe that's taking control. Drip, drip, sugar on my lips. Heartbeat racing with every hit. No escape, you're under the spell. You already know me too well. So sweet, can't let go. On repeat, you already know. Sip it up, take it slow. I'm the flavor you can't outgrow. So sweet, can't let go. On repeat, you already know. One taste, overflow. I'm the vibe that's taking control.
Every day I wake up, do 6 to 10 hours of manual labor, and take breaks only to go to Home Depot or go to the boxing gym. This is gonna pair really well with my tape pull videos.
You gotta zoom in.
You like that? Yeah, you like that?
Oh my god, stop. I like it.
Sorry, that got a little intense. That got really intense.
I'm the most masked one.
달빛 아래 웃음이 번졌고 시간마저 멈춘 듯이 slow 하나 둘 켜지는 별빛 sign Take my hand tonight is mine 이 길의 끝엔 어떤 세상일까 숨결 따라 번져가 la 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 잊지 못할 우리 멜로디 산책처럼 simple but it's destiny Walk walk 끝없이 이어져 도시 불빛 너머 shine together
This is the worst fucking lighting. I
We find our way 너와 나만의 작은 holiday
So we thought that we were done painting and we got a little too excited because there are a bunch of tiny little gaps here we saw when we took the tape off where the paint did not bond with the white caulk on the molding. So now I'm going around with a tiny little brush and hitting all the detail spots in this entire room.
달빛 아래 웃음이 번졌고 시간마저 멈춘 듯이 slow 하나 둘 켜지는 별빛 sign Take my hand tonight is mine 이 길의 끝엔 어떤 세상일까 숨결 따라 번져가 la 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 잊지 못할 우리 멜로디 산책처럼 simple but it's destiny Walk walk 끝없이 이어져 도시 불빛 너머 shine together Step by step we find our way 너와 나만의 작은 holiday 너와 나만의 작은 holiday Walk with me Walk with me tonight Walk with me tonight 끝없이 이어져 도시 불빛 너머 shine together Step by step we find our way 너와 나만의 작은 holiday
So the next plot twist is that we have this really cool chalkboard wall left over from the last tenant. Unfortunately, the chalkboard wall has seen better days and is now starting to peel. So I get to hand scrape this entire thing, reprime it, and then repaint it with 2 more layers of chalkboard paint. So we are not done. The irony of doing touch-ups with this brush and this bucket. All right, we're doing some minor electrical work today. We're gonna be swapping out these old, boring, shiny white outlets for these more sleek, modern, black and brass ones that are gonna be all around this blue room. Same goes for the light switches in here. I'm gonna be swapping out these old white ones for these new matte black ones, which should hopefully help us minimize light reflections and just generally distractions in here, especially because this room is gonna be on camera and it's on the darker side. Sorry, did I scare you? Sorry. I love you.
So yeah, before we could even think about filming, there was a whole lot of sweat equity just to get the place usable. Now that the walls are patched, the pipes are working, and the paint's dry, we can finally shift gears into the fun part, actually turning this into a studio. In the next video, we'll dive into the creative side, how we treated the rooms for sound and built an overhead lighting rig that can flex with different artists and moods. That's when this space really starts to feel alive. So stick around, we're just getting started.